Hi, Instagram. I hope everyone's having a great day on this beautiful Sunday morning. But I just wanted to really talk to you guys today about abundance. You know, a lot of us don't really understand that we're supposed to be living a life of abundance. We were put on this earth to live a life of abundance. Abundance is our birthright. We are granted abundance. But a lot of you guys don't know that, and you're playing with your birthright. You're playing with what was already granted to you because you don't believe that you deserve it. And I need you to understand, I didn't even expect you to come that hard already, but I need you to understand that you deserve a life of abundance. You don't deserve to be working a job. You don't deserve to be doing things that you don't like to do. You're worth a lot more than $10 an hour, $20 an hour, $50 an hour, $100 an hour. You're worth a lot more than that. You're worth a life of abundance. So when you continue to put yourself in these positions that you hate, these positions that are literally circumstances of lack, you're not claiming what is rightfully yours. Why? Do you not think that you deserve abundance? Why do you not think that you're worth more than what you have? We should all think that. I knew that. You know, when I was growing up, I easily knew I should be living a lot differently than how I'm living right now. I'm worth a lot more than that. You can't pay me that. I'm worth a lot more than that. Are you serious? I always felt like that, but I never knew another opportunity to get out. And that's probably how a lot of you guys feel too. You guys get a paycheck like, really? I can cover my rent. But who just wants to be getting paid to cover their rent? That's weird. Y'all should be getting paid a lot more because guess what? You deserve a lot more than that. You deserve to get paid more than just making ends meet. You shouldn't be getting paid to just pay your rent and get groceries and take care of your kids. You should be able to get paid and be like, boom, I can live. But guess what? That's not how it's going to happen because salary is a drug. Salary, it just gives you just enough so that you're able to make ends meet, so that you're able to pay your bills. But you got to always come back. You can't leave. And who wants to live like that? That's why we continuously feel like we're running this rat race, because we are, or y'all are, or some of us are, right? Because we're just continuously seeking something that we're not really going to get. But we think that we are, but we're not. Not with a job. It's not. I was just talking to somebody earlier, and they was working at this shoe store, and I said, do you think that this shoe store, you working this job, is going to allow you to create the business that you want to create? And he said, well, maybe. What? No, it's not. Why? Because when you get that $200, $400 check, what you're going to do is you're going to go pay rent, you're going to get some food, and you're going to have to come back and get another one because you already spent it. So how are you going to able to save up enough money in order to actually get the capital that you need to start your business? It's not going to happen. But it can happen in this business. It has happened in this business. I don't know, if you guys know, I graduated in May. Yay. I graduated at the age of 20. I'm 21 now, and I'm retired, and I won't get a job ever. Ever. And I can say that very confidently because I'm very serious. I continuously come on here every single day because I know that it's possible for you guys as well. My expectation for people that join my team is for you to quit your job. Jobs are honestly weird to me. It's like when people tell me they're going to work, it's like, what are you doing? It's actually kind of scary. I can't even lie. Because it's like, why are you doing that? So when people join my business, the expectation is for you to quit your job. So it's getting done. So if you want to quit your job, I definitely recommend you joining this business. It is what it is. Yes, this is why I continuously come on here. Not for me, but because I know people want to get out of the circumstances that they're in, and I have a way for them. And I expect to get them out. Come on now. So, as always, it is 2:35 to get started. It's a beautiful day. So happy and grateful.